You have said that you believe that God is dead as we understand him.
God, as the bearded old man in the sky, is dead because there is no proof for it. But God represents the highest conception of reality, and in India we place God in man, in nature, not outside nature. We have no supernatural in Indian thought, in Vedanta. Superphysical, supersensory, supernormal, but not supernatural. Our concept of nature is the whole of reality is treated as nature. So divine nature is also part of nature. So that divine nature is present in every human being, in every child. How to manifest it, how to unfold it, that is the science of religion.
All right. Well, can you explain to me further in that then why in ungodly places like Russia and Cuba and the communist world you are invited back to talk to them and preach to them?
Because they found that whatever we speak from India is meant for the good of all. We have no enmity towards anybody. For 5,000 years this culture has existed. It has never had any aggressive policy towards any nations throughout history. Because and in recent period it produced a Ramakrishna, a Vivekananda, a Gandhi, all universal in their attitudes. Romarola, the great French biographer, presents Ramakrishna and Vivekananda in his Life of Ramakrishna as the splendid symphony of the universal soul, Ramakrishna, Vivekananda. Because of this uniform policy, communist countries also invited me. I was their guest. I spoke there freely. Nobody asked me to cut down my speech in a particular direction.
But again, you speak, is that because you don't pose a threat at all to the institutions? You speak of God as inspiration from inside.
In the heart of man.
Yes.
God hidden in every human being. We have to unfold it, just like fire is hidden in a matchstick. Now we tell children, fire is hidden in a matchstick. Children will say, no, I touch it, it is cold. I said...
Hidden in a matchstick, yes.
In a matchstick.
Yes.
But I say it is, fire is there. But there is a science of it. But I don't find it. Yes, if you find it, wait. You strike it, fire will come. That striking is the most important thing. There comes the technique of growing spiritually. It's a wonderful, you have heard the word Vedanta, Yoga. They all represent this scientific approach to religion to unfold the divine possibilities hidden in every human being. So striking is needed to produce the fire. But one more condition is needed. The matchstick must be dry. If it is wet, a whole box of matchsticks won't create fire. So the mind must be in a particular condition. How to train children with such minds which can help them to unfold the divine that is within so that they can become human, they can become kind, compassionate, loving. That is the biggest problem of this modern age.
Yes, indeed. The matchstick image is a splendid one.